Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. This specifically is a 2018 Dodge Challenger. This is the SXT guys, but SXT, yes. But even if you have a V6, V8 engine, it will be about the same for multiple years and generations. So let me get something to point with. And when we open the hood now, okay, right here, this is our fuse box. That fuse box you need to squish on each side, and when you do that, it opens up. You twist it that way, and if you put it like that, okay, you will notice that the fuse numbers here and the layout will correspond to what we have specifically here. Now we will explain about multiple fuses that are actually for the ABS and traction control, and one of those guys, okay, will be fuse number 5. So if you come from left to right, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, you go to right here, it will be this fuse, okay, that you need to number 4, this fuse right here, 1 2 3 4. It's fuse number 5, but you start, the first fuse is known as fuse number 2 3 4 5. So that fuse is for ABS and traction control. Then you have one more fuse that you need to check, fuse number 6. That one here as well. These two fuses so far. Also, you have two fuses that are known as the relay fuses for the ABS and traction control. And if you come on the very right side, this is known as fuse number 39. This fuse here, okay, that's super important, guys. Okay, check this one out as well. This is a 10 amp fuse. And then you have one more fuse that you need to check, guys, which will be fuse number 36. So if you start here 39, 38, 37, then you go to fuse number 36. I'm talking about that fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. So all these 4 fuses can be for the ABS and traction control. Now, why it's important to test your fuses? Because sometimes you may think that you see through the glass if it's good or bad. Sometimes you cannot tell. So if that happens, what will you will just spend time and money to fix a problem, when all you have to do, guys, test the fuse. We'll put a link to a special video that will explain how to test a car fuse and a relay in just a couple minutes, so you know how to do that. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.